Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. No one is safe from being downsized, no matter how hard they work or how highly prized. It can happen in any industry, any place, leaving those affected with a sense of disgrace. No warning, no time to prepare, just a sudden shock that is hard to bear. A loss of a job, your source of income undone, leaving you feeling you just want to run. Today it is hard to ignore businesses that are going through downsizing, reorganizing, and change. From low to high, no one is safe from getting the pig slip. Do not be defeated by the news, it is what it is, give up those no can do blues. Let your fingers do the walking. 10 tips on how to handle uncertainties in today's job market. 1. Be proactive, start looking for new job opportunities or upskilling yourself before a layoff happens. Don't wait until it's too late. 2. Networking, connect with people in your industry, attend events, join online groups, and build your network. Sometimes, it's not what you know but who you know that can help you get a job. 3. Keep an eye on the news, stay informed about what's happening in your industry and the job market. Be aware of any changes or trends that might impact your job security. 4. Focus on transferable skills, identify the skills that you have that can be used in other industries or jobs. This will broaden your job search and increase your chances of finding new opportunities. 5. Consider freelancing or contract work, look for short-term projects or freelance opportunities that can help you earn money while you search for a new job. 6. Be flexible, be open to new job opportunities that may not be exactly what you were looking for. Consider taking a job in a different city or a different industry. 7. Build your online presence, make sure your LinkedIn profile and other online profiles are up to date and professional. Showcase your skills and accomplishments. 8. Be positive, a positive attitude can make a big difference in your job search. Stay optimistic and focus on the opportunities that are available to you. 9. Seek support, don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or a career coach for support during this time. It can be a stressful and challenging time, and it's important to have people in your corner. 10. Take care of yourself, take care of your physical and mental health during this time. Exercise, eat well, and make time for self-care activities that help you feel grounded and centered. This will help you stay focused and energized during your job search. The job market, like everything else, is constantly evolving. Nothing remains stagnant, and what was in demand yesterday may not be tomorrow. Therefore, it is important to be open to new experiences and opportunities, even if they are outside of your comfort zone. Embracing change, most of the times, is challenging. It is a part of life's pattern for growth. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing job market, instead of fearing change, it is important to embrace it and use it as an opportunity to learn new skills, expand your horizons, and advance your career. Change is here to stay, and those who are willing to adapt are the ones who will thrive in the job market of the future. Difficulties are an aspect of life, each one of us go through. Know it is a phase. Know you can accept the experience, now proceed to work it out. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Please subscribe, thumbs up, we look forward to your comments, we trust you will come back soon.